Hey there, my name is Ryan Houchin from Southwest Exteriors. Today we're going to be talking about the Provia Endure window. We're going to take a look at some of the design elements of the window, and we're also going to take a look at the functionality. The Provia window is a composite vinyl window. The extrusions, meaning all the frame pieces and all the surrounding pieces, are made by a German engineering firm called LOOOOVE. The best thing about the LOOOOVE frame material is that it is an engineered sun shield material. The benefits of that to the homeowner is that this stuff has been tested, tried, and proven to withstand the elements in which we live here in South Texas, which is extreme heat and extreme sun almost every day of the year, even when it's not 100 degrees out. It provides superior color durability, meaning that on the exterior of the window, the color's not gonna fade or disintegrate. It also protects the window from any kind of warping or twisting or any kind of material degradation that would happen from intense sun and heat. So those are the real benefits of the sun shield material. It's going to extend the lifespan of your window by a pretty good amount. With the interior, there's over 29 different standard colors that you can choose from for your interior frame. We have unlimited custom colors that we're able to do. And then we have 3 faux wood finishes, as you see right here. This is not real wood. So this actually is the cherry finish. There is also a light oak and a dark oak interior finish that can be used on the window and does come standard. So again, in terms of design capabilities and really giving homeowners an option to design their windows exactly where the way they want them, the Provia Endure is an amazing option. Now, as we look at the hardware, you can see that this is a nickel finish. We have several other options. We have oil rub bronze. We have a bright brass. So you have your, some choices there. One of my favorite things about the Provia window is the way that the hardware operates. Here, you can see that this window is in the lock position, so I can't open it. Both of these latches are outward. So if I move them inward, just basically like that, now my window is able to move. And this is a double hung. So basically my top sash can come down, my bottom sash can go up, and I have dual venting capability. The tilt wash function, so both of these windows, because it is a double hung, both of these windows do tilt inward into the house to be cleaned. The way that works is that we simply just raise the bottom sash here. Now this is the part I really love about the Provia window. There are no additional gizmos or gadgets, up here at the top of the check rail. It is all done with the use of these locks. So if you see that, I just pushed interior towards the inside of the window on the latches, and that allows me to tilt this window right into the house. Now with the top sash, it's kind of similar, is we just move that downward. There's these little finger latches up here that are kind of hard to see. They're kind of tucked out of the way, so they don't take away from the aesthetics of the window. And then we just push those inward and tilt the window right into the house. And now we're cleaning both exterior and interior right from inside the home. The way that we put that back, and as you can see here what they look like from the top view. See again, is nice clean check rail with no other, like I said, no other pieces of hardware other than the locking mechanism themselves. The way we put these back into the main frame is just a reverse order. So we're gonna pop these up here. What we wanna do, you don't wanna just slam it because it can nick or mar the finish. So what you're gonna do is just do the reverse, is just disengage the sash glides and push that right into the frame. It's gonna lock, you'll hear it click, and now we're operating back to normal. So it's pretty easy, really easy to operate. This is an amazing balance system, meaning the system that moves the window allows it to go up and down, so much so that I can do this just with one finger. So it's really, really nice. With the bottom sash, it's much the same. We bring this up. Again, we don't want to slam it. We're just going to do the reverse. We're going to push these back in, shut the sash into the main frame, and then let go. You can hear a click, and we're back to an operating state here. And then to lock them, basically, you're just gonna press down on the bottom sash, press up on the top sash, then we can re-engage our locks, and now our window is locked once again. We have all kinds of different configurations in the Provia Endure, meaning we can do casements, we can do fixed casements, we can do awning windows, we can do gliders, we can do single hungs, and we can do double gliders, which would be much of the same thing here, just on a horizontal basis. So we really have a lot of customization capability with the Provia Endure. As we look at this sample, notice that we have clear glass. So we don't have any grills or grids in this, but we have a full array of options for our grills. So we can do the grills in between the glass. We can do a flat grill or a beveled grill or a profiled grill that would be in between the glass. We can do grills exterior to the glass, meaning on the surface, commonly called simulated divided light. And then of course this allows us, especially if you look at the grills that are exterior to the glass, we can then match the numerous color choices that we talked about, or any kind of customization that we want to do on the color, we would be able to match that to the exterior. So if you have a stucco exterior on your home, the Provia Endure, and this isn't the case with all their lines from Provia, we do have the option to do what's called a stucco flange. So if you have pre-existing stucco banding, which is that little kind of raised trim piece around your windows now, you're good. You don't have to worry about it. But a lot of people don't. Most people don't. So with this Provia Endure, we're able to use what's called a stucco flange, which is an accessory piece that slips into a little kerf or channel all the way around the window. You can't see it here because the carrying case is actually covering it up. But if it were removed, you would see this little channel all the way around all four sides that allows us to put on that accessory piece that covers up the broken stucco. This waterproofs and seals the window, and really for the homeowner, prevents the expense of having to do that stucco banding, which can add a significant cost to a window project. The Provia window utilizes a great glass system. It's called Super Spacer. The whole benefit, the advantage of that glass package, as they claim, is that it is a no metal spacer. So there's no metal, less conductivity. What the glass is specifically from the Provia Endure is called a DLA UV, and simply enough what that means, it's dual low E, meaning dual low E on both panes. It's argon filled in between the panes, and it has the UV additive or UV coating to prevent the UV coming through, especially here in Texas, where that's a significant issue that we want to try to solve with a replacement window. Definitely when it comes to warranties, there's so much sticky language. We much prefer to speak in terms of details, not general terms. So if you're curious about the warranty on the Provia Endure, look below. There's a link there that'll take you to an article that's going to go in depth talking about the Provia Endure warranty and all the details of that warranty. If you have a stucco situation where you don't have banding around your windows now, this is a great option. If you want all the customization and design capability without having to pay an ultra premium price, just quite honestly, if you want to enjoy the Amish craftsmanship without having to pay a premium price, then the Provia Endure is a very good solution for your next project. If you have any comments, questions, concerns at all, we'd love to hear them. All you have to do is go into the comment box below and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for stopping by and allowing us to talk to you about how we can provide you with the look you love coming home to.
If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.